I am Dan Gaude, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Today I will discuss the examples on Lagrange differential equations, Euler's Lagrange differential equations, starting from classical mechanics and of MSc post semester post. Now, see here one more example. Show that the curve is a catenary for which the area of surface of revolution is minimum when revolved about y-axis. Consider xyz coordinate system, and in xyz coordinate system we consider 2 points through sphere. Consider curve between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 in xy plane, whose equation is y is equal to y of x. We form a surface by revolving the curve about y-axis. Our claim is to find the nature of the curve for which the surface area is minimum. Consider small strip of a point A formed by revolving the arc length ds about y-axis. If the distance of the point A on the curve from y-axis is x, then the surface area of the strip is equal to 2 pi x dx. But we know the element of arc ds is given by ds is equal to square root of 1 plus y dash square dx. Thus the surface area of the strip ds is equal to 2 pi x square root of 1 plus y dash square dx. Hence the total area of the surface of revolution of the curve y is equal to y of x about y-axis is given by I is equal to integral from x1 to x2 2 pi x square root of 1 plus y dash square dx. The surface area of the area will be minimum if the integrand f is equal to 2 pi x square root of 1 plus y dash square must satisfy Euler's Lagrange's equation del by f by del by y minus d by dx of del by f by del by y dash is equal to 0. Here del by f by del by y is equal to 0. Therefore, d by dx of 2 pi x y dash divided by square root of 1 plus y dash square is equal to 0. D by dx of x y dash divided by square root of 1 plus y dash square is equal to 0. And so on, xy dash is equal to a square root of 1 plus y dash square. Dy by dx is equal to a square root of a divided by square root of x square minus y square a square. And integrating by is equal to a cos hyperbolic inverse of x upon a. Therefore, b replace this. B is constant of integration. Therefore, a cos hyperbolic inverse of x upon a is equal to y minus b divided by a, and x is equal to a cos hyperbolic of y minus b upon a. This shows that the curve is the catenary. Next problem on Barrett-Stockholm problem. The Barrett-Stockholm is the curve joining between 2 points not lie on the vertical line. so that the particle following from rest under the influence of gravity from higher point to the lower point in minimum time. The curve is called cycloid. The curve is called cycloid. Example, find the curve of quickest descent, or a particle slides down a curve in the vertical plane under gravity. Find the curve so that it reaches the lowest point in the shortest time. Let A and B be 2 points on the curve, not lie on the vertical line. V is equal to ds by dt, velocity, speed of the particle along the curve. Then the time required for fall on arc length ds is given by ds is equal to v into dt. Therefore, dt is equal to ds by v. That is, dt is equal to square root of 1 plus y dash square divided by v dx. Therefore, the total time required for the particle to go from A to B is given by TAB, our functional, our integrand from A to B, integral from A 1 plus square root of 1 plus y dash square divided by v dx. Since the particle falls freely under gravity, therefore potential energy goes on decreasing and is given by V is equal to minus mgx, and kinetic energy is given by T is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. According to principle of conservation of energy, T plus V is equal to constant. That is, initially at a point we have x is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. Hence, the constant is 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 mv square is equal to mgx, and v is equal to square root of 2gx. Therefore, tab is equal to integral from x1 to x2 square root of 1 plus y dash square divided by square root of 2gx dx. Thus, tab is minimum if the integrand f square is equal to square root of 1 plus y dash square divided by square root of 2gx must satisfy Laplace-Lagrange's equation dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash is equal to 0. Here y terms absent, therefore dou f by dou y is equal to 0. And integrating this, differentiating this, therefore dou f by dou y, dou f by dou y dash is equal to y dash divided by square root of 1 plus y dash square d by dx of y dash divided by square root of x into 1 plus y dash square, and integrating y dash is equal to c square root of x into 1 plus y dash square. Solving for y dash, dy by dx y dash equal to square root of x divided by square root of a minus x, and dy by dx is equal to this. Putting x is equal to a sine square theta by 2. Therefore, 2a sine of theta by 2 cos of theta by 2 d theta is equal to dx. Therefore, y is equal to a sine square of theta by 2 d theta plus cost of integration b, and sine square of theta by 2 is nothing but 1 minus cos theta divided by 2, and nothing but y is equal to a by 2 theta minus sine theta plus b. Y is equal to 0 initially, theta is equal to 0, therefore b is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to a divided by 2 theta minus sin theta. And from the equation x is equal to b into 1 minus cos theta and y is equal to b into theta minus sin theta, for b is equal to a by 2. This is a cycloid. Thus the curve is a cycloid for which the time of descent is minimum. Next problem, find the extremal of the functional integral from 0 to pi by 2 y double dash square minus y dash plus 2xy dx, subject to the condition y of 0 is equal to 0 and y of pi by 2 is equal to 0. Let the functional is equal to I. This functional is extremum if the integrand f is equal to y dash square minus y square plus 2xy must satisfy Euler-Lagrange's differential equation. Therefore, del by f by del by y minus d by dx of del by f by del by y dash is equal to 0. Here, del by f by del by y dash is equal to 2x minus 2y, and del by f by del by y dash is equal to 2y dash. Therefore, replace the substituting this. Therefore, 2 into x minus y minus d by dx of 2y dash is equal to 0. And d by dx of 2y dash is equal to again 2y double dash, and we get y double dash 2 into x minus y minus 2 y double dash is equal to 0, and replace arrange this as y double dash plus y is equal to x. This is the second order differential equation whose complementary function is given by for complementary function y double dash plus y is equal to 0, d square plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, d is equal to plus minus I. Therefore, it is roots are imaginary. Therefore, complementary function is given by y is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 cosine x, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant. The particular integral is given by pi y is equal to 1 plus d square raised to minus 1 dx. Therefore, y is equal to x. Therefore, particular integral is equal to x, and hence general solution of this equation is given by y is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 cosine x plus x. If y of 0 is equal to 0, therefore cos 0, sin 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, c1 is equal to x0. Therefore, c1 is equal to 0, and y of pi by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, c2 is equal to minus pi by 2. Therefore, hence the required extremal is equal to y is equal to x minus pi by 2 sin x. This is required solutions.